Very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on wherever you are. My name is Bharat Jain, and I'm working as an account director in one of the MNC firm based out of New Jersey, USA. Today, I am going to recommend Mr. Abhishek Agrawal. He is running his institute, American Institute of Spoken Language, in the place called Chandosi. Uh, I feel like Abhishek's training style is different, and he gives a lot of examples and personalized touch towards his training. Gives the efforts not only just the whole batch, but each and every individual, and assure you that your success is essential. And what how was my experience? I was one of the students way back in 2004, and the way he taught me, it was like a fun, and he made it really simple and easy to learn this amazing skill which is called English speaking. It helped me a lot in my career, cracking the interviews, communicating with the managers and the foreign nationalist. So English is definitely going to be a ladder in your career, and the way he teaches is definitely going to add a lot of values. My recommendation for Abhishek is like he's one of the mentor you will find in the market, uh, who has his unique personality, and the way we observe, the way we grab the knowledge, that is completely on us. So the seriousness and effort, the serious efforts is required in order to get the maximum out of that. Wish you all the best for your future and your career. And thank you so much, Abhishek, again for training me. And your training was definitely a major factor in my success in my life. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.